Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Heptabase. Notion serves as a versatile all-in-one workspace, perfect for managing notes, tasks, and complex databases. Heptabase, on the other hand, is a specialized visual knowledge management tool designed for spatial learning and connecting ideas. We will explore their unique features and help you determine which platform best suits your individual or team's productivity and knowledge organization needs. Notion truly shines with its highly customizable databases, allowing you to organize vast amounts of information, from project tracking to content calendars. Its flexible block-based editor makes creating detailed notes, documents, and wikis incredibly intuitive. Furthermore, Notion's robust collaboration features enable teams of any size to work together seamlessly, integrating tasks and knowledge into one unified system for enhanced productivity. Heptabase stands out with its innovative whiteboard feature, offering a unique visual canvas for arranging and connecting your thoughts. It utilizes a powerful card-based system for atomic notes, fostering deeper understanding and synthesis of complex topics. The integrated journal feature supports daily reflection and consistent knowledge capture. This tool is ideal for those who prioritize deep work and visual learning to master new subjects. Deciding between these two powerful tools depends on your primary needs. Choose Notion if you require an all-in-one workspace for comprehensive project management, extensive databases, and team collaboration. Opt for Heptabase if your focus is on visual thinking, deep knowledge synthesis, and understanding complex information through spatial organization. Consider trying both, as many offer free tiers or trials, to discover which platform truly enhances your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.